We were not meant to be reservoirs. We are meant to be rivers. And that is something that really stuck with me when I heard Fawn Reaver, the CEO, the founder of Uncle Neris Distillery here in Shelbyville, Tennessee. I honestly can't say enough amazing things about this. I have visited so many places in Tennessee, and without a doubt, this was an amazing trip. Definitely a life-changing. I cried about 3 times just because of how amazing it is, and just how amazing Keith Weaver and Fawn Weaver and our tour guide that we had, Terrell Johnson. It was all around so amazing. If you guys haven't been here, you definitely need to check it out. It is Uncle Nearest Distillery. He was a black man. He was the distiller of Jack Daniel's family, and he taught Jack Daniels how to make whiskey. But all in all, this was amazing, you guys. Like, if you guys don't do anything else, this place needs to be on your top 5 places that you visit in this lifetime. Like, I tell you that hands down. There's so many amazing things that I didn't even want to record anything, because I want everybody to come here and to experience it for themselves. I don't want you guys thinking that you can just watch this video and just think that you will get the gist of it, and it's not even half of it. So this is amazing. This is an amazing story. We had an amazing tour. I bought so much stuff from here, you guys. It's crazy. I spent more of my money here than like my entire trip. And I didn't even think that I would, but I guess I probably did, because I didn't really want to buy anything my entire trip until I came here. And we actually came here like last. And then I was like, okay, I really hope I love this place, because I didn't really buy anything. And I bought so much stuff, you guys. I bought whiskey. I bought the books. I bought pins. I bought blankets. I bought shirts. I bought hoodies. I bought so much stuff, you guys. But if you guys can check it out, I definitely think that you should. I'm so grateful for the weather, because the time that we came down here, there was severe thunderstorm warnings, tornado warnings our entire trip. But I'm so glad that God did not let any of that happen. So we were able to enjoy our tour and walk around. We also visited Humble Baron, which is I believe is the world's largest bar, if I'm not mistaken. It's amazing. Like, it's breathtaking. And it's like, what? Wait, I've never even known that was a thing. But the way that they kept breaking their own records is what was the most inspiring of all. And it's like, you guys, you have to learn your history. Oh my God, it's so important. It is so important. And that is why this distillery was amazing, because you guys, our stories could have been lost. Could you imagine how many of our stories have been lost? And so I'm so happy and I'm so grateful that this story has finally came to life, and people are hearing about it, and we're understanding our ancestors and where they come from, and understanding where we come from, and know that we come from greatness. And I think that that is the biggest lesson and the biggest takeaway from this entire trip, you guys. If you don't do nothing else, please learn about your history.